Hey guys, what's up? I'm Laura McKenzie and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm just going to be vlogging my day. I am going to be doing a lot of work because it is Monday. I like to organize my life and set myself up for success for the week, and so I like to write out everything that's due, all that. I have a couple things that are due today that I want to get done, so I just figured I'd bring you guys along with me. Okay, so the first thing that I do is check my Notion account to see what is due based on the syllabus. So I have my to-do list here and I have my planner here, and so I'm just gonna take you guys through what that looks like really quick. Here's my Notion account. If you guys want to see how I made this, you guys can go check out my first day vlog where I showed you guys how I set this up. But so here's this week, and I have a couple things due this week. Today I have due chapter 16-17 assignment, discussion board post, which I already did, and a quiz. Mostly studying to do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write all the test dates into my planner.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so I just took the time to write out everything that I have to do today. So for school, I just have to make sure that I do my history 130 and psych 230 homework, and then edit this video. I just also went ahead and, like I said, went through my Notion and just wrote down everything that's due. So I have this stuff due, nothing due Tuesday, got some work due Wednesday, Thursday I have a quiz, Friday I have a quiz. So yeah, now I feel better now that I can see the whole week and what I need to do each day. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and work on my history homework since that's due today. I'm just gonna finish it up and turn it in so that I'm not stressing out later tonight. Literally 9 degrees outside, which is crazy. You can see the icicles on the house. The petal just fell off. Oh, this is so sad. I love roses so much though. I just went downstairs for a quick little snack. I got some applesauce, and don't come for me, like, applesauce is so good. So this is this brand. It's from Aldi, and it's the unsweetened one. And at first I got the sweetened one because I thought it would taste better, but the unsweetened tastes better. It tastes just like apples. Like, the sweetened one was too sweet for me. Like, you can taste just the green apple is what it tastes like, and that's why I like it so much. So good. The other one just was too sweet for me. It had added sugar, which is just not necessary for me, and this one is so much better to me. I finished writing my essay. Not an essay, but it's like a summary. But I need to go back in and make sure it sounds good, because you know how you start writing something and by the time you're done with it, the stuff you wrote at the beginning does not sound as good as you thought it did. So I'm going to go do that and eat my applesauce. Okay, I just turned in my assignment. This means I can now cross out history 130. Okay. I'm so glad I got that out of the way. That was the hardest assignment that was due today, so that's good. And it's only 2 o'clock. So now I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat up some leftovers. I made a HelloFresh meal the other day. It was a little bit of a chicken stir-fry situation with some bell peppers. It was really good. I'm really excited to go eat that. So let's go ahead and go heat that up. Okay, here is the lunch situation. So freaking good. It is chicken, rice, and then like bell peppers and onions. Super good. From HelloFresh. It basically tastes like a burrito bowl without beans. Basically, it's really good. I don't know how to say it, but I think I'm gonna add some of the General sauce on top. I feel like it'll be really good. It may not look good. It is good. Okay, about to dig in to this. I'm so excited. Going to watch some YouTube. Can't get over the fact that I can just go like that and it opens up. That is just so cool. I wanted to say this is my favorite drink right now besides water. A good old half and half. Amazing. This just looks so freaking good. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. I'm so hungry. Okay, I am all done eating. It was great. Finished the video. And now I'm going to go ahead and just get it over with. Go ahead and take my quiz. Oh, I forgot to show you guys that I am wearing this Wish You Went Here shirt from my Black Businesses haul. Go check that out if you haven't already. The back says HBCU made, and it's so cute. And I definitely recommend you go ahead and checking that out because it's really, really cute. But okay, I'm gonna really stop procrastinating now and go ahead and finish this quiz so that I can be done with all the work that is due today. Okay guys, so I just finished that quiz. Now I get to cross that off the list, which is always so fun. And I get to cross off school as a whole and fill in the bubble, which is, I also can cross it off on my planner. Done with everything. Feeling good. Let me go to my Notion really quick while I'm thinking about it. And complete, did that, and he also emailed me back so I know it's turned in, and also did the quiz. Everything for today is done. I got some chocolate on Valentine's Day and I meant to open it with you guys, but I forgot. And I already opened it and I already saw like all the flavors, but it's okay. I'm really excited to try it with you at least. Go, so cute. So my favorite is the milk chocolate and caramel, and so I'm trying to see which one it is. So I need like a square light brown one. And this is like the most exciting part, I guess, about this is because you don't know what it is. So let's go ahead and try some. Okay, I'm excited. Here we go. So I'm looking for a light chocolate. I'm gonna go with this one right here. This one looks good. Okay, let's try it. It's good. Let's see what other flavors we can guess. That might be the same. I don't know, we'll see. Ready? It's good. But I think it was this one. There was no caramel on that. So I'm guessing it was, I'm thinking it was this one. I'm thinking it was the buttercream because there was no caramel on that, or peanuts. I kind of want to try a dark chocolate just to try it. Like the dark chocolate caramel, because I like caramel. Okay, so it's peanuts. It's like a Reese's. That's good. And I'm gonna try one dark chocolate, this one, and I'm guessing it's gonna be the caramel, hopefully. Not bad at all. Wow. 10 out of 10 chocolate. This is a brand if you guys want to go and get some, because it's probably on sale now that Valentine's Day is over. That was a good midday after lunch pick me up snack treat. And now I don't really have anything else to do. I might make a vision board for my new laptop. And also what's really cool is that on my laptop I have 2 different screensavers. I'm pretty sure everyone has this, but I have 2 different screensavers, so let me show you. So we have this background, and then I have this background as well. So I've seen it on TikTok. Basically you organize, you have different folders. So like I have like a school folder where I'll put like my Notion stuff, and then I'll have like a other folder where I put like YouTube stuff. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but you guys will see the final design. Okay, so this is what I've come up with. I don't know how long I've been doing this for, but this is the design I've come up with, and I'm going to save this, email it to myself, or put it in my drive probably, so that it can go to my computer now. Now that it's on my laptop, I'm going to go ahead and set it as my background. Hopefully it fits. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Boom. Perfect. So cute. Okay guys, so I just finished changing all of the icons. As you guys can see, now that I did that, it's all different colors of like neutral colors and like earth tones. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Okay guys, so it is a lot while later. I'm not even sure what last filmed, but I just remembered that I haven't added my psych disorders class into my Notion because the syllabus just got available to us like a couple days ago. So I think I'm going to take the time right now to just go ahead and insert that so that I don't miss any dates that class has. Okay guys, so I just finished. All of my assignments are in here. Here he is. It's so cold. Boots on. Looking at snow. Look at the icicles. Okay guys, I'm about to sit down for dinner, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm eating, and I realized I had rice with every meal today, but we're gonna ignore that. I usually don't have rice this much, but I love it, so it's fine. Got rice, got broccoli, some shrimp, crab legs, and lobster tail, and I'm so excited to eat this, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat it, and I'm gonna go ahead and drink it with some kombucha. And yes, I'm excited to eat this. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on a productive day. I feel like I've done a lot of things that I've been putting off, and so I'm really proud of myself for that. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day. So don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video.